If you guys have just clicked onto this video of mine, you are interested in leveling up your business. You are interested in making money. Hey, well listen, a guy that I partnered up and I clicked his video a long time ago is Joe Burnish from Big West Marketing. Take a look at the screen. Joe's got them crazy eyes, man. Look at that right there. You know what I love about that? I should have been called the crazy electrician because I'm crazy. I'm crazy about helping you guys level up. I'm crazy and passionate about being an electrical contractor because it's blessed me and my family. And you know what? It truly is something that I wish you guys would be blessed with as well. So the way I do that is every talent, every failure, every success that I get, I try to relay it in this channel. As a brother and sister in the trade, could you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button? Let's show YouTube who rules the electrical contracting channels, right? I'm not talking electrician channel. I'm talking electrical contractor. If that's you or that's gonna be you, you've came to the right channel. Joe did a quick video that we were gonna do together, but he decided, hey, let me do it and you can share it on your channel. So I hope you enjoy. It's about 10 minutes. It has so much information that you need a pen and paper. You better sit down and you have time, put your headphones on and listen to what Joe has to say. He also has this posted on his channel so you can see it entirely there. I'll have links down below, so don't worry. Kick back, relax. Sit with your significant other or your office worker or whoever helps you run the back end, and let's talk to Joe.
Well, thanks, Jeff. Thanks for having me on. I feel honored to be here, and I want to share with your guys what I found out to be the top marketing ideas for electricians. So let's get started right now. Let's jump on in. So there's a ton of stuff you can do for marketing, as you know, but what really moves the needle? There's all kinds of things that can cost you lots of time, lots of money, but what really gets you the most bang for your buck? That's what we're gonna focus on right now. So for the past 12 years, I've been working with electrical contractors and all different types of home service businesses in order to get their business to the top of Google and get the phone ringing. So one of the things I'm gonna be talking about today is the online stuff, but that takes time. What about the stuff that you need to do now to get work coming in? We're also going to address the offline stuff. So the first idea I want to talk about is your Google business profile. This is free, it's provided by Google, and it can get you a real head start with the online portion of your marketing. Let's talk about this real quick. Jump over to the screen here, and when you're on Google, if you search for Google business profile, you click right here. This allows you to get listed on Google for free. This is what will show up if you type in, like, I don't know. If you search for electrician in your city, these listings over here that allow you to have Google reviews, those are your Google business profile. These are actually free listings. You can set this up for free. The way you do that is you go over to this website, google.com/business, and then you'll sign in with your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can create one. And it'll step you through exactly how to set up this free profile and allow you to start getting business, start showing up on Google when people search for your services. I will have another video that you can go and watch that will give you a detailed step-by-step how to do this and how to optimize it efficiently and correctly, because there are a lot of wrong ways to do this. If you've already done this, don't worry about it. It's something that just needs to be done at the very beginning, especially for the newer contractor that's out there just getting started. But it is key. It is key to your success. People are on Google. They are looking for electrical services, and they're not just typing in electrician city name. They're typing in all kinds of different keywords to find your business. I'm going to get into that in just a little bit. But now that you have your Google business profile set up, what's number two? What's the next idea that we want to talk about? It's getting Google reviews. So let's check something out here. You can see that this guy here at the top has 24 reviews. This guy over here has 191 5-star reviews. This is awesome. This is our client here. And this guy is kicking ass. The next guy down, Jonathan Brown Electric, he has 57. It's all good. These are all great. They all have, a significant amount of 5-star reviews. But this guy here has 191 reviews. He's going to get the most phone calls whenever somebody searches in this area for an electrician. So how do you get these Google reviews? So one of the ways is to share a link that you can get from within your Google business profile after it's set up. So let's jump into my profile real quick. This is the back end here. I'm all logged in. And you see when I'm on the home screen, I scroll down to get more reviews. and then I click on share review form. Now I can grab this link and I can start sending that over to people. I can send it by text, I can send it by email. I want to get it over to people that I've just done work for and then ask them to leave a 5-star review for me. Now another way to get Google reviews is using an app that we provide here at Big West Marketing. It's called the Lead Connector, and you can see here, this is a screenshot of my phone here. You can see Lead Connector down here. So I click on that. I go down to the star button at the bottom, and then I click the plus button, and now I put in my customer's name and phone number, and it'll automatically send them a text message with the Google link, and it'll step them through leaving a Google review for my business. If you're interested in this, I'll put a link down below. It's called the Lead Connector app. Now let's move on to marketing idea number 3. Okay, so we've got our Google business profile. We've got reviews coming in, but we also need a good website because people are going to click on the website once they view your profile here. Okay, so let's click over here on the website for MCA Electric. Now, there's a few things I want to show you. I don't want to go too deep into the website stuff because I have a separate video that's all about websites for electrical contractors that's going to go very deep into all this stuff, but I want to give you a few pointers here. Okay, so of course you want it to be professional, you want to have some nice pictures, all that stuff. But one thing that you can do to really ramp up the number of phone calls that come in is put a big phone number in a contrasting color. So everything on this website is blue and white, right? Except the phone number. If I'm standing 10 feet away from this computer, I'm going to see that phone number, and that's what you want to do for yours. Forget all these tiny little phone numbers over here, or only on the contact us page, or phone numbers down here in the middle of the website. People's eyes are directed to the top right when they want to find out how to contact you. So throw this phone number in there. And then you can also take it a step further on the mobile version of the website. So this is the mobile version of MCA Electric, and you can see there's a tap to call button and a tap to text button. Those only show up when you scroll down to the phone size for your website, from the mobile website. If somebody taps on that or on this, they're going to call. If they tap on that, they're going to start texting you. This is huge. I've seen this double, triple the number of people that reach out to you once they hit your website. This stuff works. Have your web designer take care of this, or do something as close to it as you possibly can. And then another quick tip I have for you as far as web design is you want to personalize it. The more personalized you can make it, the better. So I'm going to show you this About Us page on this website that we did for Lumens Electric. And you can see they put pictures of the employees on there. That's what I mean by personalize it. Put pictures of you, your crew, your truck. If it's just you, you can have you and your family, or just you with a nice shirt on with your logo, hat, whatever it may be. You want to make sure that your website is personalized. This is getting more and more important. This will separate you from the competition. It's something you only have to do once. Go and hire a photographer to get some decent photos. Put it on your website. It's something you only have to do one time, and it'll last you for years and years to come. So the next ideas I want to talk about are stuff that you can do right now. The stuff I showed you right now can be kind of time consuming, and it'll take a while for Google to rank you, especially if you're doing all the search engine optimization or SEO stuff that I teach you in other free videos that I have here on YouTube. But what about getting jobs right now? You want some marketing ideas to start developing business right now. This is where the offline marketing comes into play. And I've teamed up with Jeff, the 360 electrician. But what he does is he gets these flyers, okay? And he puts all his main services on the flyer, and then he has all his, all the smaller services he offers down here. And he also has a call to action here that gives somebody some sort of special, $25 off, $50 off, something like that. And then what you can do, okay, and this is what's really cool, is every time you do a job, go to the 5 houses around the one you just worked in and put these in the door, or knock on the door and hand them to them. You can also have your technicians do this stuff for you as well, okay? And usually 10% of them will call you eventually. May not right away, but 10% of them will call you eventually. Okay, you can also hand these out anytime you've done a job. Make sure your current client has one so they know all the different things they do. It'll remind them, oh, maybe I do need a ceiling fan installed. Maybe I do need a gate motor. Whatever it may be, they may not think about it while you're in the house or when your technicians are in the house. But if they see this, it'll kind of start getting their wheels turning and realize, oh, I need more work. They can also give these to people as referrals. Here, $25 off. They can give it to their buddy, their neighbor, their friend, their family member, whatever it is, maybe needing some electrical services. It gets your name out there, and it gets your name out there quickly. Now, if you don't want to create one of these on your own, we have templates set up. We can help you do these through Jeff's link. And I'm going to put the link down there for the ultimate guide to marketing for electrical contractors. It's going to include that. The next marketing idea I want to talk about is gift certificates. So you see 3 gift certificates on this piece of paper. I just printed out of my little inkjet printer over there. You can do the same thing. Get some of these designed, you know, and put however much you want on there, and then put who it's to. This is another way to get amazing referrals. Now, Jeff's got a deep system for doing the flyer and the referral stuff. So if you order this through our link, then you're going to get not only us creating these for you, but you're also going to get Jeff's videos that show you step by step how he uses it for his business in California. Another thing that he does that I think is really powerful is he creates these refrigerator magnets, okay? One is for a light bulb, one is a truck, depending on what kind of logo you have. If you have a round logo, you probably want to put it on a little light bulb refrigerator magnet. If it's more of a wide logo, then you can always use the truck, the little utility van magnet. And Jeff has some really cool ways that he uses this, creative ways he uses this. So if you have us create these as well, then we'll go ahead and make sure you get the videos on how Jeff uses it specifically to get lots of leads coming in quickly, like starting today. So those are the top marketing ideas that you can start doing today to start making money, start getting referrals, leads, calls coming in. If you do it correctly and you do it consistently, you'll have more work that you can handle and you can grow your business. So I invite you, if you need help with this stuff, to set up a free consultation with my company, Big West Marketing, and then also order the pack where you get all this stuff designed for you, done for you, with the strategy behind it. We have all that. Just click the link below. We can get a free consultation set up, or you can just order it right online with the 360 Electricians link. If you have any questions, let me know. Our phone number at bigwestmarketing.com is 406-493-1881. And I just want to say thank you to Jeff and all of his YouTube followers. I hope this information was unbelievably helpful, and I can't wait for Jeff to have me on in more of these videos. I'm going to have him on my YouTube channel for some of my videos. Either way, my name is Joe Burnich, and I will talk to you soon.